Is your iPhone running slower than usual? Apps taking forever to load? It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, you don't need to upgrade to the latest model just yet. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy ways to speed up your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why your iPhone might be slow. There are a few common reasons. Too many apps running in the background, a full storage, or outdated software. These issues can slow things down, but luckily, they're easy to fix with a few simple tweaks. So, let's go over the steps to get your iPhone back to its speedy self. Step 1. Clear storage. If your iPhone is almost full, it's time to clear up some space. When storage is full, your phone slows down because it doesn't have room to breathe. Start by checking how much storage you have left. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of which apps are taking up the most space. Delete any apps or files you no longer need. Photos and videos can take up a ton of space, so back them up to iCloud or your computer. Once your storage is cleared, your iPhone will have more room to work its magic. Step 2. Update iOS. If you haven't updated to the latest version of iOS, this could be causing your phone to lag. Software updates often come with bug fixes and performance improvements, so keeping your iPhone up to date is essential. To check for updates, go to Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, make sure to download and install it. This simple step can often make a huge difference in speed. Step 3. Disable background apps. Apps running in the background can eat up your phone's resources and slow it down. To close apps running in the background, swipe up from the bottom or double-press the home button if you have an older iPhone to view the app switcher. Now, swipe up on any apps you're not currently using to close them. This frees up memory and helps your iPhone run smoother. Additionally, you can disable background app refresh entirely. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Background App Refresh. You can turn this off for all apps or just specific ones that you don't need refreshing in the background. Now that your iPhone is running faster, here are some tips to prevent slowdowns in the future. Keep your storage in check. Make it a habit to delete old apps, photos, and files every couple of months. Update your phone regularly. iOS updates are released frequently to improve performance, so always install them when available. Restart your iPhone. It might sound simple, but restarting your iPhone once in a while can give it a fresh start and clear out any small bugs or glitches. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Got any questions? Or do you have your own tips for speeding up an iPhone? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.